guys, it's Kim here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Today we'll be talking about periods. And that's why I'm wearing a red shirt and by my red couch. I'm actually one of the very lucky individuals that has like every symptom known to Google when it comes to period. And I have like the extreme version of every symptom as well. I usually deal with the worst cramps. The way I sit, the way I lay down, it changes how my cramps feel. And usually I take Motrin or some kind of painkiller to deal with it. The weaker stuff usually doesn't work on me at all. I really need like the strong Motrin to handle my pain. The first 2-3 days of my periods, I'm like useless. And all I can do is think about the pain, the cramp. I'm bloated and I'm really sleepy when I'm on my period, and I take these really long naps. Normally I would take Motrin or some kind of painkiller to handle the pain, but my mom, she doesn't really want me to take Motrin because of all the side effects and stuff, and she thinks I'm abusing it, but I'm just taking it when I'm on my period, okay? And I'm like, woman, I could barely walk. Please just give me something I could use so I could go about my daily life. I don't blame her for not wanting me to use it so often because there are a lot of side effects, like it can hurt your liver, it can damage the lining of your stomach, etc. Because of all that, I decided to look for a more natural alternative to deal with my pain and suffering. I ended up contacting Brazen, this company that makes these herbal supplements. I contacted them and asked them if I could review their product, so this is a sponsored video. If you're interested in the products that I'll be talking about today, check out the links down below in the description box. What I like is that they have pills that addresses different things. One for PMS support and one for cramp support. Obviously, you take the PMS pills before your period and the cramp during your period. I had no idea they made pills for just PMS. I've only been using like painkiller stuff. And when I think about it, I think the PMS part is probably maybe worse than the pain. It's hard to say. These are pills actually made in the USA, but they are a Chinese herbal pill. And they're like these light tannish colored pills. They do have a strong smell to it, but that's very normal when it comes to Chinese herbs. I'm excited to try these because I don't want to have to worry about side effects like blood clotting or like hurting my liver when I'm trying to deal with like my period. You'll actually get your money back if the product doesn't work out for you, so it doesn't really hurt to try it at all. If you're interested in Brazen, the links will be down below in the description box. I'll try to be back with my update video on how these pills worked out for me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video. Follow me on all my social media sites, and bye! Hey guys, it's Kim here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I'm here on my update on my review on the Brazen pills. These are pills for cramp support and PMS support. I've been using it for a while now, and I have to say, I really love this stuff. Usually during my periods, I'm like super negative. I would just lay there on my bed thinking about all the negative things that has happened in my life in the past 10 years. And things that happened 10 years ago would be bothering me like right now for some reason. And I wouldn't understand why I was so upset or why was I going through this roller coaster of emotions. After taking the Brazen PMS support, I've noticed a difference in my mood. I didn't even realize there were pills that existed that address like the mental part of your period. I just normally address the symptoms like pain and cramps, but I never thought to get something for like my emotional state. After using these, I haven't bothered with using my regular pills, which were like Motrin or ibuprofen, which is something I heavily relied on and my mom really disliked. But before all this, my pain was like super unmanageable. So this is a product that works. Before I was kind of skeptical about this product, and I'm glad I took a chance on this product, and I'm so happy that it works. If you're interested in Brazen, the links will be down below in the description box. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video. Follow me on all my social media sites, and bye!